if you only had one fly line to choose from, and that is a weight forward floating fly line. Now, what does that really mean? Well, fly lines themselves are around 90 to 100 feet long, okay? And where they attach to the fly reel is what they call the butt section, and that's fairly thin. It also is sometimes called the running line. And then it extends out closer to where the leader connects to the fly line, and it gets thicker. And then it tapers down right to that knot at the fly leader. Well, that thicker portion is the weight forward portion, and what that really does for you, it makes it easier to cast. If the line was the same length all the way from where it connects to the reel to the leader, it wouldn't cast as quite as easy. So we like to make it as easy as possible. We use a weight forward line, and that propels that fly line forward. You don't have to put as much effort into the cast. It's really the best way to go. Okay, so now here's a really important point, guys. This is critical to selecting a fly line. So we've picked the color. We know that we're gonna have a weight forward floating. Now what weight of fly line do I pick? It's actually very, very easy. This happens to be a 9-foot 5-weight fly rod. So I'm gonna select a 5-weight fly line. That's critical. If I was to pick a 3-weight fly line and try to make it work with a 5-weight fly rod, it's not going to work. There's not enough weight in the fly line to make that rod bend and make an accurate cast or a longer cast. So you need to match up the weight of the fly line with the weight of the fly rod. 9-foot 5-weight fly rod, 5-weight fly line. If I have a 6-weight fly rod, I'm going to use a 6-weight fly line. If I use a 9-weight fly rod, I'm going to use a 9-weight fly line.